So we're here at the home of Just Jane, the Lancaster that is under restoration right now. Today she's in taxiable state and they're in the process of flying. I believe that they have a goal of flying it within the next 2 years, so that'll be pretty exciting to see a third Lancaster take to the air. At the Bomber Command Museum of Canada, we support Just Jane we share parts, materials, information. We have a really good relationship with the Pattons. And I think that's one of the things about the brotherhood of aviation and aviation restoration is that the groups get together and for a common goal to see these aircraft back on the ground running or up in the air flying. We're here at the restored airbase. It's a wonderful place that they've restored. It certainly gives you that feeling of being back here in 1942, seeing the bomber crews getting ready to take off. Behind me is the control tower. We're standing just beside the Memorial Chapel. It's actually a very moving experience to see this as it would have been in wartime. Certainly back home in Canada, a lot of our places are dilapidated and in nowhere near the shape that this is. So it's great to see that the Patton brothers have taken this and restored it and brought it back to its wartime glory. I think it's important because history gets forgotten if you don't keep it up front and in front of everybody. Revisionists come along and change what was, and I think it's important to bring forward what was. You have to remember that history needs to be viewed in the context with which it was created, and it's very easy for somebody 70, 80 years later to come along and change the meaning behind it. So at the Bomber Command Museum of Canada, we believe that it's important to tell the story that was then, not how we may interpret it today.